Have you never asked if performing 10 push-ups every day can actually alter your body? Many individuals believe that working out for hours is necessary for seeing results, but at times, low but regular efforts can have a significant impact. We'll discuss the amazing advantages of performing 10 push-ups a day, including how it affects your strength, muscles, and also your mental well-being. You'll be shocked at the change if you continue to be consistent. 1. Increases strength in the upper body. An excellent method for developing upper body strength is to perform push-ups. You develop your triceps, shoulders, chest, and core muscles each time you lower yourself. This easy exercise will build your endurance over time, allowing you to perform more repetitions with comfort. 2. Improves core stability. Push-ups are a full-body workout that many people are unknowing of. Your lower back and stomach muscles, which make up your core, put forth a lot of effort to keep your body stable. Push-ups are a fantastic addition to your routine if you want reduced abs and a stronger midsection. 3. Boosts metabolism. Despite their seemingly minor size, push-ups improve your heart rate, which causes your body to continue burning calories after you're done. This is a fantastic habit for people who want to lose extra weight because it aids in weight loss and enhances general fitness. 4. Strengthens bone health. Bones can be strengthened with weight-bearing exercises like push-ups. Maintaining strong bones as you age is crucial to avoiding this condition and joint issues. Push-ups lower the risk of cracks by promoting strong, healthy bones. 5. Enhances posture and reduces back pain. Many suffer from bad posture as a result of spending a lot of time sitting down. By strengthening your core and back, push-ups help you naturally correct your posture. By enhancing spinal alignment, push-ups can help ease back pain if you frequently experience it. 6. Increases stamina and energy levels. Do you constantly feel tired? You can boost your energy and endurance with just 10 push-ups a day. It increases blood flow, which enhances oxygen delivery to the brain and muscles, and makes you feel more alert and updated. 7. Mental health benefits. Exercise is not only beneficial for your physical health, but also for your mental health. Push-ups are a great way to start feeling more every day because they release endorphins, the feel-good hormones that help lower stress, anxiety, and even depressive symptoms. 8. Quick and easy. The fact that you can perform push-ups at any time and anywhere is one of their best features. No need for pricey gym memberships or ostentatious equipment. Simply locate a small area and begin your repetitions. 9. Boosts cardiovascular. Multiple muscle groups are worked during a health push-up, which increases the effort required by your heart to pump oxygen. This lowers blood pressure, lowers the chance of heart disease, and improves heart health over time. 10. Builds discipline and consistency. Developing self-discipline is the main advantage of doing push-ups every day. Push-ups help you develop consistency, which improves other aspects of your life and increases your commitment to getting fit. Can you actually change your body by performing 10 push-ups a day? Of course, the long-term advantages are immense. Even though it might seem like a little effort, you'll experience more energy, better posture, stronger muscles, and better mental health. Maintaining consistency is crucial. Start now, and you'll be astounded by how much you've changed. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness advice if you found this video useful. Tell us how many push-ups you can perform in the comments section as well. Together, let's push one another to become stronger.